Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you another great product that I use on the regular and I found as part of the YesStyle affiliate program. This is the Tone Up Sunscreen from COSRX. This has aloe. This is a hydrating sunscreen and it is a tone up sunscreen, which means it has a little bit of a tint so you don't have to worry about the white cast. I am someone who wears sunscreen daily, whether I'm leaving the house or not, because I'm just trying to do as much as I can to protect my skin and also the anti-aging benefits of wearing sunscreen all the time. What I like about this is it gives a little bit of a glow without being too shiny, and I don't have to worry about that white cast. This nice tube, you could throw it in your bag. I'll show you what it looks like. It's almost like a peachy color. See? And I'm going to put some on my skin just so you can see it blend in. After I'm done with my skincare routine, I do sunscreen as the last step before doing any kind of makeup. If I am wearing makeup, do kind of crazy patterns and then I rub it in. So you can see it starts out like a peachy white, but when you rub it in, it becomes skin toned. It's not something that provides a ton of color, so you don't need to worry about it making you look too dark, but just enough to give you coverage for your skin and my skin, but better look. I did put a good amount on, but the nice thing about that is I can put it on my neck, my ears, and you can see it's blending into my skin the more I blend it. This is something I use on the daily, so I like that it's not drying out my skin. And one of the things that really matters to me is if it's going to pill or not. I don't want to go like this on the side of my face and have that weird sticky glue feeling when the product just kind of bunches up. I'm gonna continue pushing this in, making sure I get all areas of my face down to my neck, and then show you what it looks like. If I am gonna wear makeup after this, I'll apply a little bit of bronzer, a little bit of blush. Not too crazy, but I do use this as the last step before I do makeup. And you can see a little bit of a glow, really nicely hydrated, plump skin. I'm not looking white. The product isn't peeling off. Really nice everyday option if you're just looking for a lightweight hydrating sunscreen. I received this product as part of the YesStyle affiliate program. I'm going to go ahead and put my code down below so that you can check out what YesStyle has to offer, as well as get a discount in the process. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this sunscreen or what your favorite either tone up or Korean sunscreen is. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch my next video. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye.